Saa mbona tusote na we can print our own money. Kwani gavo ifikiriangi hivyo? Yeah, like our money is our money bana. Tukiprint our money sitakuwa na pesa mingi. Yeah, hakuna hadi haja ya kwenda kukopa tena. Yeah, we can even just pay them. Yeah, with interest bana. It's just a matter of printing. Am I stupid thinking like this? Yeah, niambie hapo kwa comment. But usinipashe, yeah, because we learn from each other. So yeah, mi naona tukisota sana, yeah, to print more money, because we are the only ones who can use our own money. So print more money for us, so that the country will have a high float of money. But I know, najua tu watu wa business wataanza nini Kiingereza yao mingi. But yeah, that's my part of my mind thinking like that. I'm not an economist. I'm just a wild thinker. Ndio joke na bado nafanyanga wet.